beautiful loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me, which you've seen in some of my videos,
Victoria.
And we are super duper excited. I know I haven't been on here very much lately, but I'm trying to get back consistent with my videos, and I have some really cool things in store for you. So please make sure you
subscribe, hit that notification button, and give a big thumbs up.
Alright, y'all, so today we have the March 2019 Ipsy, my favorite subscription. Wonder what we got. Get this open.
I wonder what the bag looks like.
So how have y'all been doing? How is your week going? This is Thursday. This will probably go up on Thursday night. So how's your week been? What have y'all been up to since the last time we chatted and got together on here? So comment below. I'll definitely respond back to you. And this is this month's Ipsy bag.
What does it say?
And it says, and off she went to change the world.
That's so cool.
What I love this bag, y'all. Now, if you watch me and you pay attention, you know that I absolutely love gold. So this will probably be going on a shelf behind me or something because I'm truly in love with it. And it has the little charmed star that says Ipsy. Alright, let's see what we got this month. And make sure that you end up commenting below what you've got this month if you've already gotten it. And or if you haven't got it yet, then comment what you want to get in your bag or you hope you get this month, and let's just chat it up. It is National Women's History Month. To celebrate, we loaded up your March glam bag with female founded brands and girl boss staples. Learn about these trailblazing founders plus everything you need to know about your 5 Ipsy products on Ipsy.com. So basically this month's theme is Women's History Month, and it has everything that is inside, so we'll be going over this. And if you need more girl power, it says you can head on over to Ipsy.com/shop/Shiro to score dozens of female founded brands. And as the founder of the I Am Simply Beautiful movement, and we've got a new merchandise line that just launched, y'all, I am truly a supporter of female brands and women just making big major moves in their life. On my website, IAmSImplyBeautiful.com. Go check it out because I'm going to be starting to feature women who are making an impact, who are doing big, bold, amazing things in the world. And if you're interested in being a part of that, you can comment below as well and let's connect. Alright, so let's get on to why we're actually here and see what we got in here. Alright, the first thing I pulled out
is a Shimmer Squad.
Shimmer Squad. It's by Lottie London. And it says the Good Girl Powder Highlighter. Let's see, let me look on here. It says, Insta Beauty Addict. Lottie London is inspired by the vloggers, bloggers, and street style stars you love from Instagram. This champagne highlighter finds your best light. The ultra blendable powder formula goes on evenly to give you an out of this world glow. No filter required. What? Y'all, I love highlighters, if you can't tell. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh. And this is what it looks like. If I can get in,
That's a pretty
if I can get in focus. It actually has a beautiful shimmer about it.
It has so many sparkles.
It really does. See if I can get it open. So let me explain to y'all what's going on. You can open that for me. Let me explain to y'all what's going on. So y'all, I got my nails done. It was actually for Valentine's Day. And I got them done. You probably seen them in one of the videos. They were gorgeous. I had, like, one of my nails was like this gold sparkle. The other was red. Then another one was pink. Like, it was gorgeous. Y'all, I don't know if these people put my nails on with, like, cement glue or super glue. But y'all, I soaked them in acetone. I did everything I possibly could and could not get the dang things off. If y'all have any ideas on how to get nails off that won't come off, please comment below as well, because I will be trying some of your solutions. Because check out my nails. I actually had to paint over the acrylic because I couldn't get it off. Like, it's literally that bad. And I've had nails a million times over and never had the trouble that I had. So yeah, just wanted to tell you that in case you look at my nails and are like, dang, she got something going on, you know, what's wrong with her? Alright, so this is the highlighter up close and personal. If you can see, it is so shimmery, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but it is so shimmery. Let me swatch it. Oh, you want to swatch? Let's see.
So here's what it looks like on me.
That's what it looks like on her. And this, if you can see, let's see if I can.
Put on a little more. I can see that a little bit.
That is actually what it looks like on me. I'm not sure you can see it so very well, but it is very shimmery. And I'm going to love trying it. And so I'll let you know in one of my future videos when I try it out, so you can see how it actually looks. Okay, next. Let me close my eyes and see what we're doing. Okay, next we've got something in bubble wrap. And it is from Space Case Cosmetics. Space Case Cosmetics, and it says it's an eyeshadow. So let's see what we got.
Ooh, that's such a pretty green.
Check this out, y'all. So anyways, I have green eyes, and I love doing like green eye looks because it really brings out my eyes. And this is definitely a beautiful green. I'm trying to see if you can see it really well. It is a beautiful sparkling green. Let me see if I can show you that. Let me swatch it a little bit. Ooh, y'all, this color, this pigment is like on point. Okay, let's swatch it right here.
So here's what it looks like on me.
And if you turn it, you can see, oh my goodness, the pigment in this is like,
it's so sparkly too.
let me see.
Like, if you can see that, it's so sparkly.
Y'all, this green is freaking gorgeous. It is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see with the camera, but like, I'm loving this green. So let me read to you about it. I think I skipped that part.
I think it's this one.
Space Case eyeshadow in Messy Lochnassy. This forest green shade with gold flecks can be applied wet or dry with your finger or brush. It's highly pigmented, goes on like butter, and wears hours without creasing. Plus, like all Space Case eyeshadows, it is cruelty free. Oh my goodness, y'all, I cannot wait to try this. And I absolutely love the packaging. Like, it, y'all, it is too cute.
It's so cool. I like this.
I'm gonna actually save it right now in the packaging. Okay,
Pick something.
you can pick. Shut your eyes.
I picked this, like, Australian pink clay performing face mask.
Ooh, now we love face masks in this family and on this channel. It is Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Finding face mask. This brand was founded by sisters who share a passion for using rare Australian ingredients in skincare. Made with light pink Australian clay, this mask tightens pores, nixes excess oils, leaving your skin feeling oh so smooth.
This is gonna
Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. Hold on, I have to smell it.
You got
And it has a safety seal. It has a safety seal.
I got it.
Let's see if I can get it off. I think I might be still having trouble with
I got it.
these nails. Okay,
Let me smell.
oh, it actually has a pretty good scent to it.
That smells pretty good.
It really does. It has kind of,
I didn't get a good.
it has a pretty good scent to it. I'm going to try that. If you're not following me on Instagram, head on over to IAmAshleyALove
It has a pretty good
on
smell.
Instagram, and I will definitely be trying some of these products on there as well. All right, next we have a brush. Can you see it? It is Royal and Langnickel Moda. I got that right. Pro Precision Angle Brush. It's known for its stylish on-trend brushes. That's the Moda line. Waterproof silk textured handles. This one is just right for applying highlighter and contour products where you need them. And this brush is vegan and cruelty free. And here is the brush. And y'all, I'm getting quite an extensive brush collection.
Can I take the next thing?
And there's only one more thing left.
And this is pretty lip gloss. It's so pretty.
Now y'all, if y'all can't tell, I
It's so
love some
sparkly.
shimmer lip glosses, and this one is Ciate London Lip Luster. Let's read about this. The MO of this British beauty brand is using makeup to express your inner beauty, and we're always down for that. This vitamin E infused gloss is non-sticky, silky smooth, and creates a sheer wash of pretty red color you can layer to deepen the shade. Ooh, you know what? Go into, let me see, do I have one in here?
He's so excited.
Where do I have them at?
The lipsticks.
I just now literally am working on my beauty room, if you can't tell, behind me. And so, hold on one second, let me see. Look in.
Here, we need some light. Yeah.
Okay, I am actually going to take all this lipstick that I have on off. So hold on one second.
Here, let me hold it. Here, you can let go.
That is if it comes off. Okay, it is pretty much off. Pretty much off. I had kind of a little lip stain on, so it might not come all the way off, but I think it's enough for me to end up trying this beautiful lip luster.
Can I try it?
Give me 1 second.
Ooh, it's super pretty.
It is very, very shiny. It is very, hold on, face me, I can't see. I can't see. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, rub your lips together. I think I have a little too much of it
So
on.
if you can see it on me, it's like a pretty, like rose color, and I like it.
It's gorgeous. I absolutely love this. Oh my God, I'm definitely going to take some pictures and post them on my Instagram wearing this. And I may even try a full look that includes the eyeshadow and maybe even the highlighter. So this was an awesome Ipsy bag in my opinion. I always love Ipsy. For $10 a month, you really can't go wrong with getting a lot of times you get deluxe size samples as well as just plain samples.
If I could rate this, I would give it a 10 out of 10.
I would probably give it an 8 to 9 out of 10. But let's recap what we got this month. We got the Royal Langnickel Moda Pro Precision Angle Brush. We got the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Pore Fighting Face Mask. We got the Ciate London Mini Lip Luster in Wildfire. That's the shade. I don't think I told y'all that before. We got the Lottie London Shimmer Squad Highlighter in Good Girl. And we got the Space Case Cosmetics Eyeshadow in Messy Locknessy. And again, this is this month's case, which I absolutely love. So please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts on what I got. Is it worth the $10? Are you an Ipsy subscriber? What did you get in yours this month? And I will definitely see y'all next time. If you're interested in subscribing to Ipsy, I also have a link below where you can use that link and end up registering. Well, I am dropping stuff, so I guess it is time for us to get off of here. And I have a Vova haul coming up. I will have a Wish haul, and I've got some inspirational videos coming your way. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned. Have a wonderful, wonderful night.
Bye, guys.
See you next time.